Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we have some exciting news for you. The official promo video of the Galaxy S25 Ultra has just been leaked, and it reveals some incredible features. From nightography improvements to enhanced AI functions and even an audio remover for video editing, this phone has it all. Let's dive into the highlights. Lock screen and now brief. First up, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is upgrading its lock screen with a fantastic new feature called Now Brief. This feature allows users to wake the phone and immediately view all the important details for the day. At the bottom of the lock screen, there's a Now bar that gives you fast access to the apps and information you regularly use. Whether you want to listen to music, start a workout, or navigate to your next meeting, everything is right at your fingertips. Travel and packing suggestions? If you're planning a trip, the Galaxy S25 Ultra has you covered. The phone will provide packing suggestions by listing your most used apps and even reminding you when it's time to head to the airport. Plus, it will create a personalized playlist to set the right tone for your travels, although we're still in the dark about which music app it will utilize. Exclusive offer. Quick side note, you can pre-register for the Galaxy S25 at no charge. Just check the link in the description to get an instant $50 Samsung credit and a chance to win $5,000. There's no purchase necessary, just submit your name and email to participate. AI integration, Google Gemini Assistant. Now let's talk about AI. The Google Gemini Assistant is becoming an integral part of the Galaxy S25 Ultra experience. It's embedded directly into the phone, helping with various tasks and making the user experience smoother and more intuitive. Samsung is fully integrating AI to enhance your smartphone experience. Video enhancements. Samsung is also launching impressive video enhancements. They're introducing night video upgrades across the S25 series, promising to make a significant impact. And yes, that pun was definitely intended. Audio eraser. Another game-changing feature is the audio eraser. If you've ever been annoyed by background noise ruining your video recordings, this feature is for you. It allows you to remove unwanted sounds from your recordings, making it a must-have for content creators and anyone wanting to create high-quality videos. Galaxy S25 lineup sneak peek. Towards the end of the promo video, we get a sneak peek at the entire Galaxy S25 lineup. And if that's not thrilling enough, Samsung recently hosted a stunning hologram display in London. They used specialized projectors to showcase everything from marine life to sports highlights, all rendered in 3D. This event demonstrated the power of Galaxy AI, letting you relive treasured moments from your gallery like never before. So what do you think? Are there any particular features you're excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest tech news. Thanks for watching.